Introducing the 2021 Skoda Octavia AMB 1.0 TSI 110 HP 4-door in stunning blue. This sleek saloon is packed with comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. With a luxurious interior and top-notch security measures, this vehicle is sure to impress. And don't forget about the Limited Slip Differential, stop and start system, and spare wheel for added convenience. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Visit spiritskoda.ie or call us today for more details. Upgrade your drive with the 2021 Skoda Octavia AMB.